Hello mga ka-movers! So, hello sa inyong lahat. So, andito ako para mag-review. Okay? So, meron akong nabiling materials online at gusto kong mag-review ng Master Plumber. Yes, so mag-review tayo ng Master Plumber. Ngayon, Plumbing Arithmetic yung re-reviewhan ko. So, gusto ko lang siyang parang gawin vlog para at least yung nire-review ko ay i-share ko din sa mga katulad nyo na aspiring master plumber. Diba? So, yan. Sige, mag-review tayo. And I'm very happy na yun na nga, makakapag-review ako. And hopefully, matuloy yung take ko ng exam. Okay? So, I'm so excited, mga ka-movers. So, let's review. Okay, share ko lang yung aking screen. So, bibigyan ko din kayo ng tips on how to review. Yeah. Bibigyan ko din kayo ng tips. Ngayon, gusto ko siyang gawin online para at least, yung mas ginaganahan kasi ako kapag may kasama akong mag-review. At, ito. So, ito yung isa sa mga nabili kong file. And Master Plumber Board Past Board Exams Question or Problems Arithmetic by Architect Lorenzo Tanael, UAP, NAMPA, PITP. So thank you so much, Sir Art, for making this kind of reviewer. Okay, so modern algebra muna tayo, guys. So basic definitions in mathematics. Okay, yung addends, subtrahend, minuends, of course, divisor, it's dividend, multiplier, multiplicand. Okay, so sa addends muna tayo. A number which is involved in addition. Obviously, yes. Numbers being added are considered to be addends. Yes, that's why 3 plus 2 is equals to 4. Yeah, alam ko yan. Very simple. Pero ano kaya connection nito dito sa plumbing arithmetic? The 3 and the 2 are the addends. Okay, 3 and 2, that's the addends. And subtrahend and minuends. So, the starting amount is called minuend. Okay, the amount subtracted from it is called subtrahend. Yes, minuend minus the subtrahend is equals to difference. Okay. Parang ngayon ko lang ulit naalala na minuend pala yung nauuna, tapos subtrahend pala yung nasa pangalawa. Tapos, yeah, though alam ko naman na difference is yun yung result ng pag-subtract. Okay, thank you for the review. Divisor. So, the number that is being divided, that's the number found inside the bracket. Dividend. The number that is doing the dividing, the number found outside of the division bracket. Okay? So, yung multiplier, the number by which another number is multiplied. And multiplicand, the number that is or is to be multiplied by another. In 8 times 32, the multiplicand is 32. The multiplier is 8. Okay. So, polynomials equation. So, this is kind of a quadratic equations because of the degree of 2. Pag tatlo siya, that is cubic. Pag apat yung nasa degree niya, yung itong sinasabi natin dyan, pag apat, that is a quartic. So, this case, this is a polynomial equations. Okay, so, maganda to, at least marireview tayo pagdating sa law of exponents. Pag sa multiplications, it's b times n raised to n is times b raised to n. Of course, the answer should be b, ipa-plus mo yung kanyang exponents, n plus n. With this, dapat parehas yung base. Okay, power of a power, b raised to n, b and the exponent of n. So, you will multiply the exponents, that's why it becomes b raised to n times n. And the power of a product, that is BC raised to n, is equals to B raised to n and C raised to n. So, nakita ninyo na distribute po. Unlike dito sa power of a power, nangyari sa kanya, isa lang kasi yung kanyang base. So, dito dalawa na, B and C. So, B raised to n, C raised to n. Power of a fraction. So, na-distribute lang din to. Yung A over B raised to n is equals to A raised to n or divided by B raised to n. Multiply exponents. Okay? And divisions, it's B raised to n over B raised to n is equals to B raised to n minus n. Or, alternatively, it's 1 over B raised to n minus n. Pero much better gamitin to, guys. B, mas madali siya. Okay? Yan. Ano ba? Yan. Okay, so here's the problem. Sige, y times 4 times 2 times y raised to 2 times y raised to 3. Okay, as you can see, parehas kasi yung kanyang base. Since we are multiplying powers with same base, so copy the base, then add the degree, which is 4 plus 2 plus 3, that is y raised to 9. So in this case, the number 2, that is r raised to 4 times squared, or r raised to 4 squared. So, power of a power property, yung gagawin natin, copy the r, then ita times mo yung 4 times 2, that is 8. That's why the result is r raised to 8. And number 3, it's a negative 5 r squared st cubed, then squared. So, power of a product property, isa-isahin natin. So, negative 5 times negative 5, because 5 squared yan eh. So, it's 25. And yung r squared, ito times mo siya i-squared mo pa siya. So, ang mangyayari, copy the r, and ipa-plus natin. 2 times 2 times 2, that is 4. Tapos, yung s, since s is 1, ang kanyang degree, so, times 2, that is S2. Yung t naman, copy the t, 3 times 2, that is 6. So, that's why the answer is 25r raised to 4, s raised to 2, t raised to 6. So, number 4, s6 times cube, times cube, or s6 cube. So, power is the power property, that is S, kasi 6 times 2, that's 18. Madali-dali pa to. 6x squared, y to the 5th, z to the 3rd, or cube, and then squared. Power of a product property, gagawin natin siya. 6 times 6, that is 36. X times 2 squared, that's x4, kasi yung 2 times 2, so, x4, yung 5 times 2, naging 10. 3 times 2, that's 6. So, that's the reason why it's 36x4, y 10, z 6. Now, we have different kinds of the properties. Pagdating kasi sa dito, no? So, associative properties, example, 5 plus 2 plus 1. So, is also equals to 5 plus the quantity of 2 plus 1. Ang commutative properties, nagiging 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, the quantity of 5 plus 2 plus 1 is also equal to 2 plus 5, and the quantity of 2 plus 5 plus 1. So, parehas lang naman sila. Distributive properties, ito yon. 2 times the quantity of 1 plus 3 is equals to 2 times 1 plus 2 times 3. Yeah. So, but 2 is divided by 1, the quantity of 1 plus 3 is not equal to 2 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 divided by 3. So, parang ganito yun, guys. Dinistribute to itong 2, times mo sa 1, kaya 2 times 1, plus, ikakopy mo yung plus, plus ito naman, 2 times 3, that's 2 times, kaya ito. So, that's a distributive properties. Kaya, we are doing the distribution. Okay, so, simple lang naman yung sa mathematics na binigay niya. Yan natin. Trigonometry, Pythagorean theorem. The sum of the areas of these two squares on the legs A and B equals the area of the square on the hypotenuse. So guys, ang hypotenuse po kasi dito, this is the longest leg in the triangle. That's why ito yung C, okay? C. So, A, dyan, yung, siya, shorter, B, siya yung longer, kasi longest is C. So, in order for us to get the Pythagorean theorem, it says that A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. Okay, yeah. Reminder lang nitong trigonometry, it's ang areas of triangles, we will use the Heron's formula. T is equals to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Okay. Na-remind din ako nitong formula na ito. S stands for the sides. Sides ba? I forgot. A is, yeah, it's A. Sides, ito yung A, sides. Hindi niya nilagay dito kung ano yung S. Limot na ako nito, pero thank you for this. Geometry. Sige, geometry tayo. Geometry, getting areas and volumes of different geometrical shapes and objects. Solid geometry, cylinder. So this is the cylinder. We have the radius, and we have also the heights. So volume is equals to pi times the r squared times h. Okay. Sphere. This is sphere. So 4/3 volume is equals to 4/3 pi r cubed. Example of the sphere, for example, yung given niya is R3. So, since this is sphere, so 4/3 times the pi times R3. So, thank you for that reminder. For this formula. Nare-remind tayo. So, rectangular prism, its volume is equals to width times base times height. Multiply lang. Plane geometry. Plane geometry, triangle is equals to base times height over 2. Base, so this is base, then height over 2. Rectangle. So, yung rectangle, pag sinabi natin na P, that is perimeter, 2A plus 2B. Then A, the rectangle, the area is A times B. Square. So, sa square, sides lang siya squared. Trapezoid. Okay. So, B plus B, the base 1 and the base 2 times height over 2. So, circle is pi r squared. Very common. Alam na natin ito. Circle. Circle, P, the perimeter. Tama ba? Perimeter ba ang tawag sa P? 2 pi r. Then the area is pi r squared. Circular ring, it's pi times the quantity of r squared minus r squared. Kailangan natin to, yeah, lalo na to kasi pagdating sa piping. Yes. Pointed solids. Cone. Right circular cone. The area is pi r squared plus pi r s. Yeah, that's the s. So s is equals to square root of r squared plus h squared. Volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. So this is the frustum of a cone. It's 1/3 pi h times r squared plus r small r or small radius times the larger radius plus r, right? Larger radius. So definitions of terms in geometry. Coplanar, it's a points in three-dimensional space, are coplanar when they are in the same plane. So pag coplanar, it's points three-dimensional space in the same plane. Pag collinear, is lying on the same line. Okay. So that's the difference between coplanar and collinear. So P6 naman tayo. So madadali lang tong mga ano. Anyways, since I want to make sure na tama yung mas ma-expand ko pa yung review ko. So hanap ako ng materials regarding sa mathematics. Pauna lang to. So, sa P6, it's simple machines. High school pa tayo, meron na nito. 6 types, which is yung lever, yung pulley, screw, wedge, inclined plane, wheel, and axle. Okay. So, pag inclined plane, usually parang ito, yan, 'di ba? Pagka sa pataas, 'di ba? Yung inclined plane. Wheel and axle, ito 'yon. Parang doorknob. Wheel and axle. Wedge, parang yung axe natin. Yung screw, of course, yung screw or etong sa mga battle, pag close ng battle. Tapos yung lever, it's like ito, yung sa martilyo. Pulley, yung sa flog pole, tapos yung sa mga pagkuha ng tubig, diba? Okay. So, problem solving, distance, velocity, and acceleration. Find the distance between two cars moving perpendicular to each other given time and speed. So, conversion of units, we have Celsius to Fahrenheit, horsepower to watts. So 1 HP, 1 horsepower, is equals to 745.7 watts. Pero usually, kinuha-common ng ginagamit is 746 watts. Okay, at least I know na 745.7. Meron ba siya dito sa calculator? Well, let's see. If you have your calculator, guys, you can check. This is my calculator. This is Casio FX 570ES Plus. Available siya sa amin. So, binibenta lang namin siya ng 1,400 pesos. Pwede kayong bumili. You can chat me and para makabili kayo ng calculator na gagamitin niyo for the board exam. Okay? Sige. Just to check if nandito siya. So, andito yung unit conversions. So, titingnan natin if nandito yung 1 HP. Yeah, meron. 1 HP to, meron dito, kilowatts. Sa 29. So, conversion tayo, guys. Shift 8 lang, tapos 29, ganyan siya. So 1 HP, that is how many kilowatts? It's 0.745. Okay. Tama naman. 0.7457. So pag watts, it's 745.7 watts. So, tatandaan natin tong mga conversion units, guys. So, sa SI units, power is watts, current amperes. Ito din yung isa sa mga tatandaan natin, yung mga units. Okay. Pag financial arithmetic, ito yun. Mark up an increase in price as of commodity, discount to deduct a certain amount from a bill charge, sales tax, a tax levied on the sale of goods and services that is usually calculated as a percentage of the purchase price and collected by the seller. Pag VAT, tax that is added to products at each stage of their production. We have also the project cost, the sum total of all funds required to complete a business purchase transactions. Law of supply and demand. Kailangan din pala itong malaman. Yung law of supply and demand, pag mataas ang supply, haba ang demand. Pag mataas ang demand, humihina yung supply. Or depende. Sige, pag-aaralan natin yun, guys. Hindi pa ako satisfy sa review ko ngayon, pero thank goodness, at least meron na tayong konting natututunan with this material na napili ko. Pero I want to have another materials. Gusto kong mag-create pa ng mga materials para at least mas marami pa tayong matulungan. Okay, so I will improve this kind of material. Gusto ko pang maghanap, search, and create a book for this. So, situational problem. Identify what kind of interest. Compound interest, annual interest. Compound interest, eto yon. A is equals, A is equals to P times the quantity of 1 plus R over N raised to NT. So, P is the principal amount, the initial amount you borrow or deposit. R, this is annual rate of interest as a decimal, and T is the number of years the amount is deposited or borrowed for, and A, amount of money accumulated after N years, including interest, and N is equals to number of times the interest is compounded per year. So, yung annual interest, where P is equals to principal or sum of amount, and R is equals to percent rate per annum, N is equals to time span in years. Total amount is equals to P times 1 plus R, which is yung percent rate per annum over 100 and raised to N. Okay, guys. Hanggang dito lang yung materials na nabasa natin for today. Pero hindi siya enough for plumbing arithmetics. Nakukulangan pa ako, kaya don't worry. I will find more materials para sa arithmetic natin. Okay? Kasi walang problem na binigay dito eh. More on ano lang siya, parang talagang very review, parang summarize na summarize. Usually, yung pagka-summary niya, hindi pa siya yung enough. But malaking tulong na rin siya kasi at least na-remind tayo. Parang orientation lang to sa atin ng plumbing arithmetic. And I will find more problems with the solution so that I can share that to you. And ako din, mag-review din ako. So, ganun lang guys. Para kung nag-review ako, at the same time, nasi-share ko yung knowledge sa inyo. Okay. Ayan, tapos na muna tayo sa isang video natin guys. And thank you for watching. Please follow and like my page and also my YouTube channel. Please do it. And para naman makakuha kayo ng free materials, yung mga nakuha kong materials, gusto kong i-share yan sa inyo. So please like. Ganito pala yung like. Please like. And of course, follow my page and follow my videos, follow my YouTube channel, please subscribe para at least maibigay ko sa inyo. Then, screenshot nyo yan. Pag na-screenshot nyo po yan, i-share ko sa inyo yung materials. Punta lang kayo sa Facebook page ko, tapos send to my inbox na kailangan nyo ng materials. Then, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha kong materials. Okay? Tapos, dadagdagan ko kayo. Yeah. Thank you. thank you so much, guys. And see you on my next vlog sa ating next review. So, by the way, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting tips, pahabol lang na tips. No? So, yung ginawa ko, just sharing the simple knowledge or about plumbing arithmetic, parang overview lang nun. Pero, ang totoong pagre-review, dapat nandun ka, nakafocus ka. At the same time, nag-take down notes ka. Okay? So, ako, binibigay ko lang sa iyo, parang nag-share lang ako sa inyo. Pero, iba pa yung pag-aaral ko na talagang nag-aaral. Iba pa yun. Okay? Kaya dapat, ito, parang more on, socializing, peer tutoring, ang tawag dito, peer tutoring. So, we're doing the peer tutoring online. Okay? So, that's it, guys. Thank you, mga ka-movers. See you on my next vlog.